how you and Bilal match up. How does that fight play out in your mind?
Yeah, I think it will be a very competitive fight. I don't think about it as an easy fight. It's going to be a hard fight. And whoever will force his own style on his opponent is going to win. And even though it's not going to be easy, but I believe I'm going to be the winner at the end.
What has the UFC actually told you about what's next?
Yeah, UFC thinks that I'm the number one contender and I should be next because there's no clear contender anyway. I got 100% finishes, all wins in UFC, so I rightfully should be next. Everyone else also very close, but I think they need one more or a couple wins to get this title shot, so I should be next.
Yeah, man. What do you make of Kamaru Usman? He's been trying to sort of insert himself a little bit into this whole title race. What do you make of that? I know you sent him a tweet just the other day.
Yeah, Kamaru Usman орнына болғанда кішкене ұялатын еді, неге дегенде.
Yeah, I don't know what he's thinking about. Like, I think it's kind of shame to ask for a title shot after losing 3 fights straight. Like, in my head, I cannot get my head around it. But, yeah, it is what it is.
And Shawkat, in terms of timelines, man, what have you heard in terms of timelines? When would this fight with Bilal happen?
Yeah, for me, I'm actually ready at any time. So before the end of the year or whenever UFC wants to organize this fight or whenever Bilal is ready this year, early next year, I don't care, I'm ready to win this belt and bring it back to Kazakhstan.